Nestlé Lanka plc is a subsidiary of Nestlé Swiss company. Henry Nestlé, who initiated the Nestlé with the intention of helping kids with nutritional food. The footstep of Henry Nestlé made the legacy of Nestlé Good Food, Good Life. In today, Nestlé are drawing over 150 years of expertise to enhance the quality of life for everyone. In Nestlé, they concentrate on offering financial data and analytics to assist in the organization's strategic decision making. This covers forecasting, performance evaluation, cost analysis, and budgeting. Management accountants work together with other departments to increase productivity, cut expenses, and increase profitability. They are essential in offering the company's overall financial plan and operational efficiency by delivering insights. Let's move on to budgeting. According to Dave Ramsey, it is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Companies like Nestlé Lanka plc employ rigorous budgeting process involving financial analysis, strategic decision making, and cost management to ensure profitability and sustainability. Budgetary process of Nestlé Lanka plc. Master Business Strategy (MBS) is the overall company perspective planning which is done in every 4 years for entire company. Then the Business Co-Pilot Plan. This plan is for a year from zero base. The budgetary basis is zero-based budgeting. For example, in December they plan for a year and in January they check the plan versus where they were in. Then monthly business planning process for each week. There are separate steps to follow. In first week, they focus on align sales plan and analyze risk and opportunities for next 3 months. Sales department is the facilitator for first week. Second week, they focus on prepared brand financials and impacts of risk and opportunities for next quarter. Finance team is the facilitator for the second week. In third week, they focus on agreed departmental functions with identified risks and opportunities. Planning department will facilitate for third week. Fourth week, they focus on assurance of supply to match demand and resolve issues for next 18 months. Let's move on how budgetary process helps decision making, planning and controlling. Decision making. The budgetary process affords critical financial information that aids in decision making. By having special forecast and pricing information from procurement, control can check the feasibility and profitability of different options. For instance, they can compare the impact of fluctuating commodity prices, customized product, request on pricing and profitability in one-of-a-kind markets, decide the feasibility of launching new products, expanding into new markets, and imposing price-saving measures. It enables decision makers to assess capability risks and awards related to one-of-a-kind options. In the long run, mean to knowledgeable and strategic decisions. Planning. The budgeting technique lets in for effective planning inside Nestlé by incorporating the forecast and pricing details supplied with the aid of procurement. The managers can set realistic financial goals for each quarter. The budget enables in aligning manufacturing, income, advertising, and marketing techniques, plan and allocate resources which include determining staffing, production capacity, and inventory efficiency based on the particular requirement of each market segment. Controlling. Budgets serve as benchmarks for monitoring and controlling financial overall performance. With separate P&Ls for unique manufacturers, markets, and segments, the budgetary method enables Nestle to track and evaluate the actual outcomes towards the budgeted figures. This facilitates in figuring out any deviations or variations and taking appropriate corrective actions. By analyzing the financial performance at specific tiers, Nestle can exercise higher manipulate over cost, pricing, and profitability. It permits for effective cost management, useful resource usage, and overall financial management in the company. How budgeting helps costing and other management accounting functions. Budgeting supports various management accounting functions in several ways. Cost control. By setting budgetary limits, the company can control cost and avoid overspending. Pricing decisions. Budgets help in determining the cost of goods sold, which is essential for setting competitive prices while maintaining healthy margins. Resource allocation. Budgets ensure that resources are allocated efficiently across different departments and projects. Performance measurement. Budgets provide a benchmark against which actual performance can be measured, helping to identify areas for improvement. Scenario planning. Budgets are used to stimulate different business scenarios, aiding in strategic planning and risk management. Technology used in budgeting. Nestle uses diverse technologies for budgeting purpose. Nest GPT. Nestle has introduced Nest GPT, which act same as ChatGPT. They can ask questions and AI generates answer. Based on that, they can read a little bit more and figure out proper accounting treatment. SAP and DF. Dynamic forecasting tool, which is equivalent to the SAP system and linked with SAP. The tool provides analysis in terms of entire P&L, categorization, and SKU details. The user inputs data such as volumes, prices, margin, RMPM rates, and other relevant information. The tool then calculates and throws out the P&L. Power BI. The management accounting team uses various tools including Excel, Power BI, and SAP for data analysis and risk period analysis. Atlas. Atlas likely serves as a platform or software used by the team to facilitate strategic planning and financial alignment. Weaknesses identified and suggestions to be made. The complexity of the system and its over-reliance on forecast are notable weaknesses. It is recommended to implement proper supervision and system integration to address these issues effectively.